The year is ending. Do you feel a quiet dread? A realization that many promises you made to yourself in January were left unfulfilled? We blame time, but the Stoic philosopher Seneca says you didn't run out of time, you wasted it. This isn't a critique, it's a vital lesson for 2026. The most valuable asset you possess is not your wealth, but the moments you allow to slip away. In his letter on the shortness of life, Seneca argues that life is not short, we simply make poor use of it. He identifies the busy man who is constantly distracted by trivial pursuits, the pursuit of status, or the maintenance of possessions. These people, Seneca writes, are not living, they are merely getting ready to live. This is the core reason 2025 may have felt unproductive. The fundamental error is living life in the subjunctive mood. I will start reading when I retire. I would focus on virtue if I had less stress. This habit of constantly postponing serious living into the uncertain future is what Seneca calls the greatest theft. The Stoic principle is present mastery. We must reclaim our time by realizing two truths. The past is immutable. It cannot be changed. Only the lessons drawn from it can be controlled. The future is unknowable. It is the domain of fortune, not yours. The virtue at stake, diligence and focus. For 2026, stop setting impossible goals. Start by ensuring that the limited time you have today is spent on pursuits that genuinely enhance your character, the only thing that cannot be taken from you. As you plan for 2026, do not just list achievements, externals like promotions or money. Instead, list practices, internals like self-control and honesty. The waste? Spending hours consuming content or managing endless minor obligations that serve no virtuous end. The Stoic action? Create protected blocks of time. Seneca urges us to withdraw and take control of our solitude. Use that time not to escape, but to inspect your judgments. Ask, is this action serving my highest self, reason, or is it serving a temporary desire, impulse? Let 2026 be the year where you stop prioritizing what looks good to others and start prioritizing what is good for your character. If you lost time in 2025, accept the loss as a final chapter and begin now with the next letter. Seneca's ultimate lesson is that if you treat every single day as if it were a complete lifetime, you will never feel deprived of years. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The clock is irrelevant. The quality of the present action is everything. Let the regret of 2025 fuel your resolve. Be present, be purposeful, and be virtuous. If this call to reclaim your time resonated with you, consider subscribing and committing to a more deliberate and reasoned 2026.